Hey Jordan, I'm just looking at your designs. I think they look pretty good, and I do think that there's quite a bit of design consistency amongst all of the designs, using the same colors, fonts, and logos. I think the second and the third design that you did are the strongest, and I really like this one. But I would say, tell us your scariest story, maybe capitalizing us, your S, and this S, and then maybe capitalizing free, making it all uppercase, and then, I don't know, maybe getting this all on one line, or either making this bar bigger and getting this line away from the edge, because that G is getting cut off. There just needs to be a little bit more space between this line here and winner gets one free item in our shop. The first design, I like it. I think that this headline could come down from the top a little bit, just move it down because it's awfully close to the edge. And then I like We Sure Have a Few, but just center that as well. Maybe you thought that it was getting too close to this, but I think if it was centered, it would actually look better. Yeah, and I think maybe adding this, I guess it wouldn't work down here, but you could make the background color different and move that down here. It doesn't look bad here, but it seems like maybe it should be on the other side of this. I don't know. Or maybe this could be at the top, in the middle. I don't think it's terrible there, but it just kind of looks like it was placed there without a purpose, I guess, a little bit. But I like your ideas that you have for each of these. I think this one has a nice design, too. It's a little close, like I said, with some of the other things. We always have to watch the outside of our ad. We don't want to get anything too close to the outside, especially text. If you just put a return here in between favorite and horror, that would have helped a lot. And maybe 20% off, just like bolding that so that the deal really sticks out to the person that's viewing the ad. So maybe just making that bold. And maybe even the bright green color. And free could be the bright green color and bold and like all caps. But yeah, other than that, I think all these look really good, and I think your ideas, not only your designs are good, but your ideas are really good too. So great job.